Hey again, everybody. This stream we're going to get into some games, so I appreciate anybody who sat through the draft. That was it was kind of painful. I started watching it back. It was a little painful for me too, but hey, you gotta draft your team, right? Right. All right. So I had a few minutes late. I had there was a bug real quick I had to squash. Had to do with I made some speed options on starting the league, having to do with coach creation. Basically, the whoa, got some feedback there. Basically, when coaches are created, the longest part of coach creation is making your playbooks. But you don't really need to see everybody's playbook on that first screen where you're hiring your coaches. You just need to see the playbooks of the coaches that are in that screen. So I moved most of the playbook creation to a separate area after you've hired your coaches. Only created the playbooks for the coaches that are available to hire. And it did speed up starting a league a ton, but I had forgotten that the college coaches, I forgot to generate their playbooks before I saved the file. So I'd saved it, 80% of the league didn't have a playbook. So when I tried to load the file back in, it couldn't find all these playbooks. So it just took me a few minutes to fix that up. No biggie, but that's fixed. I don't know if that's in the build, if that bug's in the build that's out now, or if that's something I introduced today. But in either case, I'm gonna upload a new. I actually think I've got almost everything I wanted to get done in the 0.2. So I may just upload this today as an 0.2, and if we find anything else we want to mess around with or tweak, or add any, say, oh, this feature, history didn't quite look just right, something like that, we can always fix that as bug fixes in the in the Showtime update. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to release today the I'm calling it the phase 2 update. It's the 0.2, and we'll just fix anything we find in the Showtime update, because I'm really anxious to get to Showtime, because I know there's some. I'm really interested in seeing what I can do with camera angles, if I can get a really cool like presentation style camera angle, either something like a diagonal or something from the side. I don't know. I'm looking forward to messing with that, because I'm now using Cinema Machine for cameras, and anybody that uses Unity probably has heard of it. But I like it. I think it's really cool. So I'm kind of excited to see what else I can do with it and start learning about it a little bit more. So far, I've liked what I've seen. All the cameras that I have in game right now are using Cinema Machine, and it's really easy for me to create new cameras and get new angles, like that little celebration camera that I never could have done that before. So anyway, all that to say, I'm like almost a week ahead of schedule on phase 2. I'm about a week ahead of schedule, so that's pretty cool. We'll just jump right into the Showtime update, and I'll start working on that for this week, and hopefully, I mean, who knows, maybe I get that done early too. So anyway, before we get going, Tangerine today. Had a pretty good day and a half of programming, so this one's gonna taste good. I earned it. Yeah. Plus my streams are going smoothly, right? No lag, very little lag. I don't know. It's pretty good. Kind of liking this. This YouTube streaming thing is pretty cool. So anyway, it's all coming up, Sean. All right. Anyway, game time. This is what we've been waiting for. I'm not gonna do anything interesting with my team right now. I'll worry about managing my team as we get closer to the trade deadline. I might, after this game, I might see what people are offering me, but I don't like to make a ton of trades unless I just had a glaring hole I couldn't fill in the draft. I don't like to do a ton of trades before I really get a feel for what my team is. So anyway, we're playing the Knights. The Mighty Tree Frogs against the Knights. Alright, here we go. Word of warning, if we crash... Oh, God, I forgot. I love these tree frog uniforms. These are so cool. Oh, man! Right out of the gate! Oh! Who was that? Sweeney. Okay. Yeah, because I changed so many things, and because I'm using a playbook I haven't used before and really haven't debugged a ton, if we crash, not the end of the world. I'll just reload it. We'll probably sim whatever game I crashed. And I'll just try something else and try not to hit that bug again. If it was a certain play, I just won't call that play again. I'll just take a note and things like that. So we'll just navigate our way through any potential crashes and just figure it out as we go. All right, so this is a run heavy coach. If we look at my coach, I've got 1.5 pages of runs. We'll just go like runs. 1.5 pages of runs. Passes, we've got 1 page of passes and 3 RPO plays. So very run heavy right now. I picked up a run heavy coach, which is fine with me because I love to run the ball. Let's look at the skill matchup. My wide receiver 1 is clearly the weakness of my team. That's embarrassing. My offensive line's not great, but it's good. My can't really see that guy. He's an 85, Sweeney. So my quarterback and my 2 running backs are definitely the strength here. So we're gonna try to make the most use out of that. This will be interesting. I haven't done a lot of in the streams before. Done a lot of lead blocking with running backs. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how the AI is on running back blocking. Maybe that's something we'll learn a little bit about, and maybe if I have to update it, this will be good. So here we go. Lead blocker, go! And he totally whiffed on that guy. That was so dumb. Let's try this. We'll same play, except we'll run inside of our lead blocker and see if that does anything. Oh, what happened there? Our first play bug. Okay, that was supposed to be a handoff, but the quarterback took it. So there we go. It's our first play bug. 3rd and 7. We're going to have to pass. Oh, I don't have a lot of creative pass plays this time, it looks like. So for the next game, I'm going to have to remember to regenerate my playbook a little bit. Let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, that was the right call. 4th and 1. All right. So I was wrong before when I said I don't have 2 formations. I do have 2 formations. Tight end can flip-flops. The tight end will switch sides. That's interesting. We're going to do some sort of dive, though. I just don't know which one. Ooh, this looks good. Dive right in the middle with a lead blocker. Oh, you better get it! I didn't get it. Ah! 4th and 1? Come on. All right, zone. This will be interesting. All right, so they don't have a running game. They do got 2 okay wide receivers and an okay quarterback. My defense. We'll just, you know what? We'll just zone up and we'll see where the holes end up. I didn't get any blitzes, so that's another thing. When I go into the next game, try to get a couple of blitzes. All right. Here we go. Okay, my window's right. There we go. Zone. Good, good, good. Good pursuit. See, now I really do wish I had some blitzes. Oh well. Let's pass rush. Let's see what my guys look like in pass rush. Ooh, that is not good. Oh, he's open! Come on! Get him. All right. So, spread my zone out a little bit more. Oh my god! Yikes. That's really, really ugly. Okay. Yeah, one of the reasons I'm doing zone in this one is because I'm not certain I made very many good zone plays. I thought I knew what the AI, how the AI would do a zone. I'm not 100% certain I was right. So that's one of the things we're watching is zone AI. Like, okay, are my guys leaving? Well, zone AI slash play design. Are, let me adjust my window so I can see the chat. Are my zones set up so that I'm leaving guys open, or am I? Is the AI doing something I wasn't anticipating when I made the zone? So those are the kind of things we're going to look at. All right, so here we go. Delay up the middle with a lead block. Not much of a delay, but at least it worked. Let's dive left. Ooh, there you go. 3rd and 2. Let's do this. Let's run the running back number 2. Ooh, that's all right. Let's dive him again. That's not bad. That's not a horrible play. Let's try power right. Oh, with a pulling tight end. All right, I probably, future Sean, put a little bit of a delay on that. That probably should have some delay. Cool, though. Cool play. Let's sprint it. Let's just flat out sprint. Yeah, that's a good play. I do. Now this is a thing about how the AI is set up. On the sprint plays, when they get, I probably talked about this before, when the running back gets to this little arrow here, he's now free to make his own decision. He's no longer bound by the play. On these naked sprint plays, though, I almost wonder if he should run it out farther before he's free. Because I'm going to run it again, and you'll watch. He may get a step or two on the linebacker, but then he kind of just cuts it up because my AI is set up that running upfield is more valuable than running wide. Otherwise, guys just dance back and forth, and they just don't go upfield at all, hardly at all. Yeah, see, he moves upfield. Then the guys get him. I don't know. Oh, dang it. I got to pay attention to what down it is. All right, let's run this. We're definitely going to go run rush because my guys are terrible at pass rush. That guy's wide open. See, this seems like it would be a play that would cover these flats. They're really good at stopping the run. Yeah, very good at stopping the run. Oh, they got a first down. I'm like, what? Did they get a punt? 3rd and 4. Oh, he got me. Look at that guy. Oh, man. Oh, all right. They got me. I do like my kick returner and my special teams. My special teams is really nice. Let's start throwing the ball. God, these pass plays are terrible if you don't have a tight end and a wide receiver. Let's RPO then. Oh, these aren't any better. That's a cool play. Let's try that. Hand off. What play was that screwed up? This one? Let's see if it does it again. Yep. Okay. So there's there's a play design issue there. 3rd and 6. Oh, he's open! Oh my God! What in the world happened on that play? Oh, that was so sweet. What happened there? Oh my God. Let's do a little. Well, I guess I'm terrible at man. Anyway, who cares? Let's do a combo of man and zone. Oof. You could see how bad my guys are at man. There's gonna be. You might see one of these guys. It looks like they're kind of starting and stopping and starting and stopping. That is what happens to really stupid players. That they can't make decisions very quickly, so they look really stupid. That's a really low intelligence right there. There's a guy that's doing it. That means they have like no skill at that position. So what they're doing is that's showing you that their cycle for making decisions and looking and evaluating what's going on and deciding where they're going to move is so slow that they actually get to the point they were aiming at before they have the chance to make another decision. It doesn't happen very often unless you do like I did and you run a guy with like no man defense skill whatsoever, put him in man defense, and he's just so bad that he looks like he's just like a robot falling to pieces. So that's what that is. I am noticing now that I'm playing zone more, and when I watch the tape back, I'll see it a little bit more, is I need to really pay attention to these flats a little bit more. I've been so focused on the middle just because those are kind of the guys who are doing all the run defense. I may have overdone it a little bit on guarding. See, even when I spread them out, look how close they are to the middle. That's because well, number one, that drag route used to be like so good it's almost cheese in the older version, pre-Iverson engine. So these guys were here to guard against drag routes. But drag routes aren't really killers anymore, so it's really the edges that are the killers now. And so I might have to redesign a lot of the defenses to pay more attention to the edge. Right now, this is the only play I have that even comes close to paying attention to the edge, so that's why I'm calling it over and over and over again. Even though it's preseason, I don't like losing. Come on, come on, come on! Ah! Ah! Dang it. Alright. Yeah, preseason, I'm still just like whipped up about this. Alright, so that play's broken. Don't use that. I'm not even going to bother with an end around. Oh, that was a nice block. You know what I'm noticing? I kind of trust my second running back a little more than my first running back. We might have to make a change here. God, the blocking out of the backfield is just embarrassing. I'm gonna have to. I'll say that wasn't terrible. Well, you know, it wasn't terrible. He's not an offensive lineman, so it makes sense. He's not going to be amazing at blocking. He's open. Yep, hit him. No, you got to catch it. Oh, that's what I get for not having receiving running backs. All right, let's kick a field goal. Let's see how good this guy is. Story of my life. All right, let's run. Zone Wednesday stack. Yeah, see those guys? Yeah. All right. I definitely have to work on that. Zone 1D robber. Let's try that. Let's make them all run. Ooh, that's cool. Coverage. No coverage. No coverage. Wide open. Why was he wide open? Both of these guys are covering the same area too, so he's okay. That's a run play, so nobody's open. I'm gonna keep running this for a little bit. Watch the middle here. All right, they're all covered. Oh, he's wide open. Oh boy. I'll have to figure out where he came from. Open, open, open. Yeah, this quarterback can't. well, if he's throwing to those running backs are terrible, so it doesn't surprise me. All right. Oh. Well, that's weird. Huh. I don't know why they're blank. That's very strange. Alright. Finish the week. Well, at least I got it on tape. I can look at it. Let's look at my team quick. Yeah, I'm not sure the names are right either. So, at least I got it. I can look at it on replay. I can't imagine why they would be wrong, but they did look wrong. So, oh well. The reaction you have when shit breaks, lol. I know, it like freezes me almost. It's like I get over. It's like my brain just got overloaded. Like, what just happened? My wife always told me I'm get too into everything I do. Like, well, if you're not gonna enjoy it, oh, funny. All right, what kind of trade offers do we get here? Nah. Nah. Yeah. My quarterback. No way. Nope. That's what's good about recording. I know. I just, you know, it's funny. You coding and testing, and all of a sudden a bug will happen, and you sit there like, well, what did I do to get there? It takes you forever to retrace your steps. I know recording has just made bug squashing so easy, and it actually is kind of enjoyable to go bug hunting now. I used to hate it, but I actually kind of like it now. Let me keep that tight end. Yeah, the problem with all these offers is I don't really have that many good players. I did draft last, so the guys that they're offering just are looking just mediocre at best. Yeah, this is going nowhere. There's these guys are terrible. All right. Let's refresh my coach's playbook, try some more plays. I want to get some more running back passing plays. Ooh, that's a cool one. Well, that's cool. Okay, this looks good. There's a max play. I definitely want to try a max protection play. This could work. All right, we'll do this. Do I got any new running plays? I don't have a ton of running plays in this formation, so it doesn't surprise me that they're all kind of the same. All right, that's fine. Let's save it quick. Let's get it some new defensive plays. Ooh. Well, that's a cool play. All right, so there's a zone edge play I got to make sure I get. Oh, a blitz too. I don't have the zone edge though. Stack, zone blitz. There's the zone edge. Stack, stack, stack. No, I don't want that. I want a zone blitz play. Well, there you go. That's something I need to probably work on. All right, here's a zone blitz. Oh, man. Man 3 blitz? It's a lot of man, though. I don't want that much man. I am really liking this refresh playbook thing. It does kind of take the the feeling of hopelessness if you pick a bad coordinator. It kind of helps address that. All right, this looks good. I got 2 blitzes. I got a zone safe. I got a double blitz. All right, that'll work. Save that. I'm actually going to go right in and play another game too, because I want to... 2 games worth of stuff on tape I think will be really good. All right. So I lost that game. That was fun. Oh, I want to take a look at my running backs. I might want to flip-flop them. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, this guy was only good because he's fast. But this guy was... Oh, this guy's the better run blocker, though. Let's flip-flop him. Let's see what happens. So this guy's going to be 2. Where'd he go? Oh, that's not fun. That guy's going to be 1. There. Right? I don't know. Let's give it a try. Save. I save all the time. Who are we playing? Magma. Let's play the Magma. Alright. Don't give up a kick return touchdown right away. Oh, the broken tackle. Come on. You suck. Dang it, Wiggins. Definitely not Wiggins from the Timberwolves, because that guy looked like he put forth a little effort. Whew, sandwich. All right. Now let's try this power. Not the power. Where's the... That's the one that's broken. There you go. Now let's try this with a better blocker up there. Let's see if we get any difference. Oh, he had a chance. I almost think there needs to be a tiny bit of delay there, or I have to have... That's not that one. Just from a play design standpoint, either this guy's got to come down shallower, or I need a little delay here, because if you think about it, your second running back's rarely going to be faster than your starting running back. So this guy needs time to get out and get a block. Otherwise, all you're really doing is just running interference, getting in the way, and this guy's he's gonna outrun his block. So either he's got to come down shallow and hit somebody here and he goes out, or there has to be a delay. So something to think about. Maybe do both. Right? Maybe I design both of them. Who knows? I do need more plays for this playbook. Let's dive right. Oh my goodness. Third and 6. We better pass it at least once. Where was that really cool play? This one. Well, it's not as cool as I thought it was going to be. Well, we're doing it anyway. Let's do this. I mean, it worked once. Is he going? It's covered. They're all covered. Ah, oh, crap. Oh! No, no! Oh! Oh! Alright. Special teams. Punt. Whew! Nice punt. Please tackle him, though. Yes. Alright. So, one at a time, we're going to try our blitzers. 2, I think, was my designated blitzer, was linebacker 2. Actually, let's just do this. Let's man, double blitz, and we'll see which one blitz faster. Yep, 2 blitz faster. Okay. Boom! Oh, come on! Oh, yeah, so the reason you saw him stand up and then not tackle the quarterback, once you blitz, or once you make a tackle attempt, and if you get somebody breaks tackle on you, you don't get to tackle again. So you're kind of out of the play. It's just like a pancake. Once you get pancaked, you're pretty much done for the play. You don't get to get up and continue on playing. Yeah, not realistic. I get that, but it fits with the whole idea of using ratings to get like a broken tackle or a pancake. If you could just break a tackle and then the guy could just tackle you again immediately, what was the point really? It kind of reduces the value of that break tackle. So, design decision. Not realistic, but I think it makes it more fun. Alright, dive 2. Let's try this. Let's see how my good running back, or the guy with awareness, going... See, maybe it's just a better... Maybe it's just easier to run from right behind the line. God, that guy's good. Who is... What? How good is he? 80? Hey, there's Wiggins. That's the guy that ran the kickback. Oh, he must be fast. Oh boy. 3rd and 9. Let's pass. Let's do this. This is interesting. Oh, he's open! Yes! 1st and 10. Let's pass some more. I don't know if I did this play. Let's do it. I like that. I like the combo route over here. That's pretty good. Let's do this again. See, that's the downside of only putting 3 guys in the pattern. Ooh, here's a new one. Let's try this. Ooh, nice. 4th and 1. Definitely going for it. Oh, I couldn't get it. Oh, it's because he backed up. Loser. Let's blitz. Boom! Splits the corner. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to double blitz again. I want to see what the difference is between those two. Oh, he ran it. If I can get him... Oh, they're punting. Okay. I know really good blitzers. Well, I shouldn't say I know. I'm pretty sure really good blitzers are blitzing immediately, but I haven't had one yet, so I'm not 100% certain. Ooh, that's a good play. Look at that. 2nd and 3. That's the broken one. Delay. All right. Now I want to get that double blitz. They won't pass it though. Double blitz. I give up. Zone defense. Oof. That's the one thing I love about zone is their reaction time is way better. If only they would not have the massive holes everywhere. All right, let's power right again. Well, it kind of looked like he got a block this time. There he goes. He went up, hit somebody. He's just kind of running around lost. Oh, he got somebody. Hey! Hey, it works! There we go. We tied it. No, we didn't tie it up. Ah, dude, stupid kickers. Ah. Stupid kickers. Here we go. Yeah, it's kind of a difference between those two. Now I'll have to look at their ratings and see how close they were on blitz. Right now, the worst player, a guy with a 1 rating in blitz, will take 2 seconds to blitz. That might be too long. Because that means guys in the 50s are going to take 1 second to blitz. 75 will take a quarter second, take a half second to blitz. Yeah, 2 seconds might be too long. I might want to shorten that up. Alright, I got 8 plays to get a field goal. Yeah, right. In any case, 8 plays. Let's see. Throwing to the running back seems to be good for me. So let's try it. Although that tight end was really sweet when I got that huge. Oh, God. See, that play doesn't work when those guys stay home. Oof, just one more juke. 1st and 10. 'I like that play. 2nd and 4. I'm definitely outside of field goal range, so let's do it. I mean, granted, I've got to use this guy, and he sucks, but... Oh! No way! How about that? That was alright, I guess. Oh, he's open! Throw it! No! Oh. 2 plays. Just get a little closer, please. Alright, here we go. It's up. No! No! Oh. Oh, what is no... Okay. That's my team. I don't know why this isn't showing up. That's my team. Remember? Jackson's my quarterback. Okay. Well, oh, I forgot to put the aspect ratio on those two. All right. Well, I'll get that in the tape session. I'll fix those. So it looks like I got a few things now. Definitely got to do some tape on zone defense. I definitely let me save. Zone defense for sure. I'm gonna start as part of the Showtime update. Look at that background. What in the world is happening over there? I think the ball's moving around. So, in the Showtime update, zone defense, start working on that. Play design for not only zone defense, but these 2 running back teams, I have a feeling don't have very interesting running back pass patterns. So, start looking at that. Lead blocking out of the backfield probably needs some work, so start looking at that AI, and probably more timing and play design. I think the AI is fine because the AI is the same one that I use for all of blocking, and most of the blocking's really good. I think it's play design, so let me look at that. So basically 2 running back play design probably needs some work. I know zone defenses need more plays for sure, especially concentrating on the edges a little bit more. But I gotta figure out what my AI is doing so that I might start tinkering with that. Other than that, I'll watch the tape. I'll watch it back. We'll see. I know that game recap is weird. I don't know what the deal is with that. I fixed that twice already, and I can't even imagine what it's doing right now. It's probably a typo. It usually is. But I'll fix that up. That's not game killing. And that's probably it. I'll probably come back with a stream tomorrow morning again with all the things that I fixed today and early tomorrow morning. So I'll probably fix a bunch of that, and then we'll do a stream to see if there's anything new. And then I'll probably start transitioning over to the Showtime update. So that'll be really fun. We'll start messing around with some stuff for Showtime. Probably some in-game, like we'll just put some buttons in-game so that as I'm playing and streaming, I can say, okay, quickly, let's switch to this camera and see what it looks like. Oh, that looks like garbage. Let's switch back. It will do something like that. So that'll be cool. So I think I got enough for right now. That's it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow for hopefully several bug fixes. See you later.